Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest gardening tools on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on gardening tools of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1: H Garden Kneeler and Seat. H Garden Kneeler and Seat is a versatile gardening accessory designed to provide comfort and support during outdoor tasks. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and portability, making it convenient for use in various gardening settings. This garden stool serves a dual purpose, functioning both as a kneeler and a seat. When used as a kneeler, it helps prevent knee and back pain by providing a cushioned surface for kneeling. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals who spend extended periods working in the garden, such as women, grandparents, seniors, and parents. Furthermore, the heavy-duty construction of the H Garden Kneeler and Seat ensures durability and stability, allowing users to rely on it for long-term use. Its ergonomic design helps reduce strain on the body while gardening, promoting a more enjoyable and comfortable experience outdoors. Overall, the H Garden Kneeler and Seat is not only a practical tool for gardeners, but also makes for a thoughtful gift for those who love spending time in their garden. Gardening Toolkit. Product 2: Product Name Gardening Tools 9-piece. The Gardening Tools 9-piece set is a comprehensive collection of heavy-duty hand tools designed for gardening enthusiasts. This set comes with a fashionable and durable organizer handbag, making it convenient to carry and store the tools. The tools are constructed to be rust-proof, ensuring longevity even in outdoor conditions. With 9 essential gardening tools included, this set equips users with everything they need to tackle various gardening tasks efficiently. From digging and planting to weeding and pruning, each tool is designed to withstand rigorous use while maintaining performance. Moreover, the stylish design and thoughtful packaging make this set an ideal gardening gift, especially for women who appreciate both functionality and aesthetics in their gardening tools. Whether for seasoned gardeners or beginners, the Gardening Tools 9-piece set offers convenience. Product 3: Product Name Esso Garden Tool Set with Non-Slip Rubber Handle. The Esso Garden Tool Set with Non-Slip Rubber Handle is a comprehensive kit designed to assist gardeners in various tasks with comfort and efficiency. Crafted with durable cast aluminum, these tools ensure longevity and resilience against the rigors of gardening. The set includes 3 essential tools: a hand trowel, a transplant trowel, and a cultivator hand rake, covering a wide range of gardening needs from planting to weeding and cultivating. Any of the standout features of this tool set is its non-slip rubber handles. These handles provide a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue and enhancing control during use. This ergonomic design element makes the tool suitable for extended periods of gardening without discomfort. The vibrant red color adds a touch of style to the garden tool set, making it easy to spot amidst foliage or when stored away. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the Esso Garden Tool Set offers the essential instruments needed. Product 4: Fiskars Ergo Trowel. The Fiskars Ergo Trowel is a heavy-duty gardening hand tool designed to make your gardening tasks more efficient and comfortable. With its ergonomic design, it's crafted to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing strain and fatigue during use. The trowel's sharp blade is ideal for digging, planting, and transplanting in various soil types, making it versatile for a range of gardening needs. Any notable feature of the Fiskars Ergo Trowel is its hang hole, which allows for easy storage when not in use, keeping your gardening space organized. The tool's construction ensures durability, with materials built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, promising longevity even with frequent use. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the Fiskars Ergo Trowel provides a reliable and efficient solution for your gardening endeavors. Its blend of functionality, comfort, and durability makes it a valuable addition to any gardener's toolkit. Product 5: Product Name Fanhao Garden Tool Set. Fanhao Garden Tool Set is a comprehensive kit designed to cater to the needs of gardening enthusiasts. Consisting of 3 heavy-duty tools made from cast aluminum, this set ensures durability and reliability in various gardening tasks. The tools feature soft rubberized non-slip handles, enhancing grip and comfort during prolonged use. Each tool in the set serves a specific purpose, making it versatile for different gardening needs. Whether it's digging, planting, weeding, or cultivating, these tools provide the necessary functionality to accomplish tasks efficiently. Additionally, the ergonomic design of the handles minimizes strain on the hands and wrists, allowing users to work comfortably for extended periods. Ideal for both men and women gardeners, the Fanhao Garden Tool Set makes for an excellent gift choice for anyone with a passion for gardening. Its combination of durability, functionality, and ergonomic design ensure